Live streaming, video coverage, and now pictures on one. And you'll be City Event Masters. And internet say year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who you media fashibia. To chum, oh my true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum pon the soa. A papa dear, and no one City Event Masters. Bacha some aniti and a Media woody piano. Ube here, sell ubetra a home infony at the atoho. Open to make qua or ye a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now pictures on one. And you'll be City Event Masters. And internet say, yeah, then you know, 24 my CSS to me for no to me where I am no raw cow no ever what meets you. Every my CSS, dear Bobo, so we are Obodia, you surround it, yeah. And you're not one male and into it and no. Ebe yen kata so dia na sebe wa mankrofo eja dia omoye fa ho na na aha Afric Media ha too much chi chatna si dia na yense mo etwebu wo montene so ye film ni aka che na yesi hu nkonya ye de beba adofo nyina ena de so nya me nkwa na matena se me ne Mr Bruce ha ye ba betwetwe enkomo ben ha ya te wantintan get ene so say eye lawyer Morris Amapaw wa sorry waka say a prophet Ebenezer adakwa ya dom so wanhwe ni ya ombehye wo court dem na waya dia asem na kokopiem wo court dem anyame pa wo china according to ensem na yetete ne kire mu a omba akohye wo court dem na about before we nyina ebeba no ye hunu se a prophet adakwa Opambour ntene beka se abrante ya friend is Lawyer Morris Amapaw so wanhwe ni ya sabi wo bedome wo no ene na sefo nyina enti so ye ne papa wo ye ne mama wo ye na danfo ye obi obene dia enye kotunifo ka je ne so onya dia wo ye no na entokwa na wo hihye fa ba no so won tumi fa nkwa wie ye dia onya enye sa dia edi aye no asane ye de command be hihye so na meka o say City Event Masters and aso ya sne de Media ebro enti fa kwa o hye wo bia mesho say wo ye ade bia fa event ho say ye hye mu ade wedding parties engagement Christine and I say a year to show my true funny trade I was screen this or no. As I don't come on the best just no and come a course between a year prophet adakwa yadom and a face so a year Lawyer Morris Amapaw metro one in a free na catch any in some way a Lawyer Morris Amapaw so get kind and come here in Massia.
Poor Bachelaka say, Mamma didn't tell money or woman, Munkoso. Now they are Opambour trouble me. Now Chief Bush of trouble me. It didn't matter me in a movie in a moody. My mamma woman, settle me, mano. Say you be bombing my dear. I bomb myself for dear. I balloy and pay dear. And I'm a shady and I'm a wusumiti. I say Opambour. Let descend it to a level. Now me mama die juma. Because sir, you are born on me only by me swa. Me don't go court. Me could sue for assault because I just sue for assaulting my children because the moment I obey me ma many when you assemble de me ba bebe mu me ma bebe mu no let us say who the fear be e shall be mu until I'll sue you and I'll do that and the war and the ready I'll sue you for assaulting my children but you are putting reasonable fear in my children that they will die so I'll defend my children with the law. I'm teaching you law. Obi threatening war is a crime under the Criminal Offences Act and it's a civil wrong. Munsha law kakra obi threaten wa is an assault, and threat of death of any harm is a crime. So Opambour, me I'll take you on a legal basis. But you was being law no na me di law. It will Opambour get ready. Ubenya rate for me for threatening my children. I'll sue in the name of my children as the next of kin, and I'll drag you to court to come and tell me why you threatening my children. Let me ask you. Now, odi macho men abekumi ma. Na odi macho ben ko bin abekumi ma. Abe wi abeka say wo diabono na kumi ba. Utumi be na wo mu a utumi di bodua. Obetumi a one on one. Ni me deal one on one. Me na one make bo me dia. Na hwe say no obetumi odi abenye dwuma wo me so ana. Opambour me ne wo diabo enemy so because we wait to be handle me because odia bono eni naso odia bono and the Bible said diabo bi eni naso bia no enjida but say o threat me ma ta for omuni even 2 months intafo omuni 2 months and me ma omo ma mewu ejo mo ya omo kasa omo mi wo no affecting kwala yi. No more try exams. Now social media better no umabewu. Now be threaten me ma nyame nam ne humo broso bra me bra sana me wo 10 years na me to be wo na me ate me ma bebre. They say me ma intafo me sisi na intafo. Na some innocent children no to be bia. Na irresponsible pastor me try say na we remember. My children are innocent, so I'll defend them with the law. And but me the rule. But me money for listen to me. I went to me Kuala for no. They are less than 2 years. I told the children, Ohima, Yara Hima, Papa be wa friend of Opambour. Or say on no bomb. No bomb. And now, my papa ne say, "Obo mu ntino, so to me." Now, wabu mutia, say mbewu. And it's a me tafo na mutafo kasa. Na tafo me gidi say nyame na de uma nyame gifts unto me. Na Jeremiah chapter 1:5 ne say, "Bra before mu beba no na nyame nimu." Na nyame abomudi afremo. Na wadema be wi ase for a purpose. Now, you best sorry tiawo. Any be na Opambour sorry tiawo in transform only 2 months. Now, Bible so want to be me innocent Benis to the baby. Then the bar wa yare. Wa brush the bar. Now what ding sa ko beje ne bankwa. Na ko la kitikiti. Ewu. Na ebusuya ade ato ebusuya ni na ka mi ni misa santama na ye bia be ke mo ya ko na obi eni wa osre oni watan for cry ya ka no wu a Bible say don't rejoice over the dead and I say obi kwa mani mu kra me ose ni osre ni nsu Opambour ni mnyame asem osedi ni osre ne nsede ni nsu enti da minim sa asantifo de obi wu a ne yade kesi o asantifo ni meyeye o asantifo nim se na so obi wu a eye ya o the whole world obi oni won mi yeye cha asantifo omo te wu ase no mu ni mamamre enti no minim sa asanti region de ka obi wu a eye su eye yako eye opose ebi ye chichire. Then we have a pastor, a prophet. Obiewu akwalewu innocent child. No what back have a mountain platform. Well, not sorry. The church decided say me na me kuma kwala me boldly and a chief no so the chief no omunya yomo de yes okay we kuna esan say ne maame ehete enti mekunu na mu wie le bana mu ba ne maame so ha amambe na ewo mu yi Asante nananumwe Asante mine, are you safe? Hello? Do you think that Opambour can do this in enough? Say enough the woo enough. Now I say ona okuma. Oh, I was sorry. The best she was sorry. Opambour, ka physically no. People for the real. Accra Opambour, who desire responsible behavior. Accra chokoni ikeni and bewu. Now what is say who knows what puna? Jesus Christ. But what is happening in Ashanti region? What is happening in Ashanti region? Munyama yedi, Mesha yedi, Asofa yedi, Ananuma yedi, Ejama yedi, security agencies no, police fire yedi, soldier fire yedi, Asante mai ayedi. No be a show before, no be a share Opambour and display the prowess. Me kumba ku, me say kumbiu. Jesus, are we safe in Ashanti region? Are we safe in Ashanti region? Where is the national security? And where are the regional security? And where are the district security? And where are the men? That somebody can boldly say that I am the killer, and I will kill again, and kill again, and kill again, in the name of what? Religion? In the name of spiritual powers? Who come to Sam Beckley?
Sharp one and I said I'm a real way. I'm sorry, my patch or I was here was here again. And
because unim sanu me gumenu me mena busuafo nyina wo ne omo frane kasankyere no enya sa me kase dia emojam nipa nya masase so omo nya ntoja furu me nyin sai wo mo me kase atiasefo yo busuani nyina ra oba no na frane tunufo onuane na frane oba no na frane tunufo yes enya sa me dia frabo tipo beneta the nation so Jesus me kase man abrapa dia busuani nyina ra ya no me ni busua Wabi timi chamni tiana minai. Mi wura ya puaso mi wura dem ampiebie. Ni papi abeti akra wakana ha. MPP for mo kasa chamo kwala mo kasa chamo padifo. Samunim sa mi enyakopo ni pa 2016 sa wanya bi okra mi 20 ono de kra mi mo. Wanya mi mo. Yes. Wanya mi mo. Mo kasa kana japade ya mo kwa mo dia. Mo kasa kana ska mo kwa mo dia. Mo kasa kana bibi ya mo kwa mo dia. Na manjamba biso Opambour nyame safiri so onyame safiri mo Opambour nini mo so she munini mo se na onyame safiri mo ne so enyame munya kopo tumi da o adwani ya dwuma adwani chakora tedia adwani ya dwuma adwani chakora tedia adwani ya dwuma adwani chakora tedia 2016 ya nyame nipa me yo nyame nipa 2024 million yaminipa. Munu tama brari frame. Mu fi amadi kwa yesai. Mu mo kasano. Mu mo di matamno. Mu mo si afede manja sika ya tonom enframo no. Sata me uradi frame na mu fi yesai. Jesus. Mu fi yesai. Mu fi na yesai. Gana wane ne nimo. Samu kwa mo ye nipa. Na mo ba bia bibi. Wane ne nimo data. And so me akola ketwa bebira nyini aba betom so Opambour and free me mafrasa me nya bituma yes tutu na aba betom so nya bitumi me da so jira me na so Jesus ana mamu am ya kwada nya ma nyina betobe yes Nobody can test me.
Who's the one?
Because you have been doing Yami, near one Yami to me and my for. I am damp on you, Kwasi Adimate. You should stop it at once. Because of this trouble. When the budget upon Elmabusian fear.
Yes, go.
That's a bunch of one for Mamu at one time.
Yes.
No Abusian now, the Abbas. I was so did it by force.
Yes.
If you say Abusian,
Let's go.
start someone.
Sharp one and I said I'm a real way. Nam so my patch or I was here was here again.
And it went in a temple.
Please, sir. Once
I meet Nahano, Manya Panama, Bonyatim, because Unim Sano me a woman, and me man a bush for in our morning. Oh, my friend in Catanchran. And yes, sir, make Cassie, a mojam you pay Yamas, open to your fruit coming in.
All of not just and somewhere and penny for me area to journal in me. Not just say, according to Lawyer Morris Amapaw, a woman say a show, Ama Sebe, one manipa bako ato. Yes, I share my own sons with Incunipa for, according to Lawyer Morris Amapaw, and no, Insino, attempting to kill a killing. Many Mr. Bruce of Jim Hanuma, if you come off our comment about comment section of mine, and also so a quiet fast one only a train and common evening. Mr. Bruce.
Yeah.
Aquaba.
Yeah.
Bibi abofodie.
Why did I my chrome?
Yes, I do meet young Cosonia Boniana.
Me charity for worry. And your name, Papa no Ebonino. Ebonimano. And then no, I guess I could be anywhere redemption be any home. It is a winning said, Nipacum, Ebony now Kunipa. It means there's no redemption for you.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I can say.
And you know, yeah, Papa, dear Mana, or you know, and I bet say because of case now, what case means will be the prison. And you know, say, ah, okay, see, now who's a nipane come here, one, not to make a crown money.
Sir, and no, and upon that make us say, media will be a semi-duable and no ponyada. Because me, Nimmy and Nipa Bay wa, Obeka semi company panidia. Though say I can't send to so as we know, because it takes a lot of time for you to build oneself and one's reputation. It's just a twinkle of an eye, no big deal when you're young in our firma but yano does not mean semi cook innocent souls. After all, a man or mekami. If I have a problem, I'll deal with the person, not the man. And inside that, Panamic as a media be a body, a men supporter will be at men supporter and men supporter to men supporter that. No matter who is involved, I will support it.
Okay, into the Lawyer Morris Amapaw, a kind, what do you know?
Also, not beginning, I thought, sir, or the Mrana Baby man, but I feel you do your friend are for Sunsumone, and the lawyer Muadi, talk of friends my day. The law is there. If somebody threatens you with death, you can go to the courts or you can go to police station and report the person. And once a law no and cast a susum after all, o call court a susum yenio. Sesia wabodie, o mewa. What the court, you like us a susum on yet me or you. And you will be beer. The track debt now what can and not necessarily the courts. Near friend, near caution and say, Bibia Colana will hold you responsible. That's why we did not friend and Tafosun Suma. And the enemy meaning baby on us.
Saying him say, allegedly no or Ntafori. And Ntafoni and ma.
Oh, Ntafo sets me, you know. Yeah.
Ain't in the sa and Ntafoi and May, Appa Pension Castle or the ma and my mind for Nabecandia one. Say the candy man and it's an idea. Well, from
they can't say, and yes, I can, but say, obey a Yaminipa. Now, or the soon air fight, so now, so a lawyer. You fight him with the law. You don't fight him spiritually. David, I may say, David and Goliath. Say David didn't call no a time sword and came a but of fire, I feel comfortable with, which was a capital slang, you know. 80 Sawun himself law, I comfortable with. Go with the law. Don't go with spirituality. Because when the minimum swamming, 80 who corner way, as you said, I grown a woody. Go with the law, let the law work.
Okay. It's see a near family say wako law money and the agenda for fiantoata. Na in your mabone na papa na abemwa. Law no bit me disaster na manana.
Of course. Say oko na ni panic catch or say train na abemu. A threat. Oko police station e be friend ni pano. Yeah, besides, I then was our threatening. What I say? Near man caution statement. Say be canon, and I can't call Anna. You behold you. So what I say? It's a no cry. And you feel all these things. So I can't be crying now. Or coffee, so back on Danny. Now, one year software, or a normal person. No, be able to announce the same instrument, mental for as if say, I grow in Odi. But when you grow, a woman you grow into one sunny panel, and me a cabino, use what you also have, which is the law, to what? Defend yourself. But
even after the defense, no, do you think say a man will be before for us who are about these spiritual things? Because Obuan Mabaka say who masem and it's your cocoa to them out. Let me be prove you or honor with two from your man. What should the law also do about this in home form?
Say I know now your friend say you're IGP Dampari or the buy said that there's a law already, fear and panic.
Okay.
Say me who saw the woman who saw a Christopher Nabi Eko Gina as of what you said, Salo Wenye. So what I say? There I know woo and Obia Kom. And I am far of woo and Swoby. Then we are missing woo body and watching you die. So what I say? It's a woo bo obedient as a omua. Every crown on your so be who can you, but who dear no, not different. Because if you are senior one, hey. Ọtí ni wu, bọ́ni ni wu, obi yẹ software or not is to anaba. Ọ̀gyina hɔ yẹ friend say crusade, ɛna the materials form ni na krana. Akɔ ɛnyame deɛ, ba nyame nim sɛ binim nyame yɛ. Ɔtí nyame kana sɛ, eti sɛ wo yɛ nyame nipa, na sɛ wo bɔ dua, na dua bɔ na kai sɛ wo nso no owó wɔ ma, sɛ bi ɔnkyɛn wɔ. Me who obia when na wu ko Abraham ni na wu ko de ni na wu enye wo na so ba chembo enti se wo de tumi bi anase nyame tumi na ewo so na so me de bedome a you pay for it. I'm telling you.
Enti ye ko ye chika cry be kai say papa bi na nkwala di ne ho agoro say akokora tipa e ma ne frɛ ewiemu mboy bi e be ring bofra no eno so Bible ne fa ne say
Bible no ko ase a nyame bufu no. Of course, because see the power that nyame maye no on case we should abuse it. Time Moses now was only the Israel for no almost in the po na do be say me the embo we ma nsuo ba no nyame bofu no o ja say power na nyame di ama no enye wo die o enye say wo de be ya wo nwade o Yesu ba and be baby o say Father I do it to what to the glory of you. So what I say, but now my friend Yabano, as if say nyame pony bibi kakra man near for say because of near one intino, you bet here bibia. Me ka say asem na ye ka to Opambour so no and creda. And I me ka say papa. Seven near or ka asem no obetuaka. If you say Opambour and Domina obetuaka because asem wu ye no ye ka. And na sebe asema so beka na begu unua ho fidie enye se woka enti eno de e da ho pete se wo ye kristoni o wo ye kemoni o yo bia the law of karma ho enti obi ya de na huhu ya don't say it but nipa na kanu how do you as a Christian also react wo reaction no beka say na baba say not here and no beka say wow papa isu banti ena me so me start akwa sorry e wo the reaction will show who you are. Now so better from number bodua there. Media memfuania Opambour ye so.
And you say you back so aye bone na say na bi kan ka dum nti enguso nya bone ana. Obi be ka say o osofo de omodua nti na ne de bia ye sori a osofo a we aye say osofo asu mesi dia en mo krampo no na ye ka to om so.
Me ka say mo ka to so me na me ka say if obi e ka bi na me feel say ya waka no a best reputation I'll take you to court. Court what they do met me a boka for your next 10 generations no obi antimi ntua.
Na so betimi etua say.
Otua fa me ho maboka. Okay. So they say ye wie so ye be kind of say some now can go and what retract. So what I say me qualify Bible me fast now me nyere but I'll let the Lord deal with you. That is how civilized people behave. Baby about here Masa, me who saw
still there are still spiritual implications towards this. And also, how will you deal with that?
No, yeah, cause a law need deal and do delisio. Yeah, the Nippon shower so. Say, be a better to the piano. It's Yabaka Samno, next year you also be Biatuna, they'll hold you.
Until after 10 years now,
they'll hold you. Yeah, two and their friend bond, and they do a bond for 5 years, 10 years.
Okay.
So I say, as long as Utimika Job is a train, but you see, yes, you are. And you're very dangerous, Uber catch up, say train abu. Every corner, any panel.
Okay.
Every corner, Aqualana or Wuyen, every hour we did that. But and then, yeah, but also, and I will wear the cool. It's sometimes make us say, I give you all more. You don't even have to say it.
Okay.
And yes, so young perform you. Bako on Casa, Bako Casa. Niesa who's thrown in the pana on Casa. Because I come from ultimate board, you will see PC. Uno family nabu, no be any way. But your Casa, a year when it TV soon be.
And you said TV soon, so you go baby.
So I get TV soon, yeah, me won't be that. Now, no cock, no comport, Diano, on the shore.
It's on no best than in a court to one in upper day.
Some years only, I don't tell Mrs. Sonon and we will. Nanya, no, sacrifice, opioid, no, sure. Yeah.
And you're not sure any padding for me. I
said American, sure.
Me best road,
so sure.
And check a same command for you know, Babaka more live, no, so I had too much Afric Media. Papa she will be an commodity chain FI, about me, and I think so Opambour at home. Nana, and a day, dear, a come here, say, Diabon will say, any of this one broke pay, and in a Diabot, a toward and make our sensitive event masters and also your sneaky media bro. And it's all year baby beer a function, my dear, who say a fashion, my dear. I saw the crampona from 0594 603 869. No more bedu Jumedia no and from mouth fair. Mr. Bruce, how do you deal with Obia own person 1 Ubebonija? 2 Hawa Ube stop it the way or year man because the Malakas are dealing with penal. Oh, and him so a Christo no casa into no so any Ube then we see another.
2 ways. It's either you avoid the person totally. Ube Timiaka, you see, yeah, we be a friend of fuel. Say, I dear be a shade looking at. Obi or Casam now so swan any day. And no, a Bema work the nest of things. But Chinese for Casam silence is golden. It means that Nipa the Casam not to swap. Why didn't I have to say Jimmy? It's Obi Grand himself or no car like Casam. You are Nipa on the Casam or no view. Why silence not you? With time, no, Obi Amosa Aqua, no, ya county. Typical example, Nibia Pie, Sakwadi. Yeah, obey. Okay, growth you apart from Yvonne Nelson now of Felice. That thing was injurious to the career as a musician and the family, no, and nothing that he reacted, no. But aside that, no, Omo Castle, Cırses, and you're not going to come Omo so he's one person now. Oh, Casana said, "I have said, Shatawale, every dinner, tell me, one can there. Shata who said, Nipa, we did not tell my uncle, baby, into a guy. But okay, now so swa, you fool it. The second thing you can do to stop the person is to take the person to court. Simple.
Now, saying so tower now would not appoint up as all the work or you want to walk
court. So in the car, near Cocassam. Say, I said, when I would actually punish you. Say, now, would you or see will be a man and one. And one, no.
Yeah, quite your next topic is so I don't say you about me. I hope you of Philadelphia. I catch it. No, I am your in your name, sir, but to remember so the and penny for politicians no be a enemy Tiafa, or more cover be a corner, airport, or more partial airport, one more yen or some yen so yen campaign over near Wolf for near Cabin. Now, a quiet yen you should because election is near. But I have been fancy and a copy of Philadelphia, I catch it. No, my video in Mercy.
Now, make us say. Me pese me ne me papa ebesum ene day. Esan say oyobia oyesronko.
Yes.
Oyesronko. Odemofwa. Now, as the word said, no, we all can testify, said there's an extraordinary grace on him.
Yes.
Okay, a few years ago, na me wejmim na me boss first lady friend me say, our program be a soko na onya hunti se mesumi akwa amana. Ti me ko na broni bi e na na ewo ho. E from International Justice Movement. Na omo hwe enkola ebia ye momu ko school a they call them slavery, but as a ejuma omoya omoko rescue sa enkola no. Omoya Americans omo free America eba Ghana omoye ejuma. Inti sada no ye ni omoye program ni wie ye e na ombestra me office. Anche bia na minya nti ye se papa na ka baby. Oh. Inti omoye ne ya brofo ye de anche no omoye ye no. Na sorry what easily go on her baby won't cry. Ti me koye papa me share no 2 times bill. Me koye na omo say me kasa me ma tribute bi. Ti me ti ho na me say na papa me nim ne he. Asem ben pa na metumi aka e de afa ne ho. Ti na me dream say what can I say? What is this? What did me interaction or what did it teach me? And then a phrase came to my mind. Said to love God is to love God's children.
Yes. Yes.
So that day, that word came to me and it has stuck with me forever. Because our papa no bagana, what's me fa and kola or street children, no de omo akofie, no akọ rehabilitate omo amom ejuma, o ho bro animo. Nti ya yesum nyame. Inti papa, you remind me of that phrase that to love God is to love everybody. It sounds like doya we no ye hu bi da e wa Ghana.
Oh, sem kasie pa. Yes. Oh, Jesus. Yes.
Papa, eye oni bie adamfo.
Amen.
President Papa eye oni bie adamfo.
Yes. Yes.
Odwin nipa ho. Omo a omuni kam America say me pese me ne me papa ebesum ene day. Esan say oyobi a oyesronko.
Yes.
Oyesronko. Odemofwa. Now, as the word said, no, we all can testify, said there's an extraordinary grace on him.
Yes.
Okay, a few years ago, na me wejmim na me boss first lady friend me say, our program be a soko. Na onya hunti se mesumi akwa amana. Ti me ko na broni bi e na na ewo ho. E from International Justice Movement. Na omo hwe enkola ebia ye momu ko school.
Eye ye bra eye Mrs. Baumia ai e na ye hu no ewo ho no mu a. Tesoma akopiem of Philadelphia. Na obi bisa se aso senka yenim se ye bra Baumia ene ne ye ready anka. Maso achi na ye ko na ye nyina ya fabuta na ndieja ya ko makranta kakra na ya son na eba ne sai na afedie ya ko asori dem na wonsa so kasa no waso ne no e na eba beson fa chaba e wo comment section ho na like video no subscribe na afi share no bi ansa ka catch obi ase ya ba live e wo too much GH e wo Afric Media Mr. Cırses
yeah
wanu ni sama e fa nsem we twebo ne ho ne se
me de mi hu boni bi ewo because ye nyina ye kokoko ba ye sum nyame ba. The only difference ewo Muslim and a Christian is the divinity of Jesus. Say ye Christopher ye gidi say Yesu Nyame. Muslim for there be almost one God. That's it. But at the end of the day, you assume the unseen spirits are in himself or the creator of the world. Now, Obagana, Adebi wo a esemene ye bo se wo. We don't really mind Muslim Christian. Me ametiye me wona fo be bro me nkabofo. Even my best friend is a Muslim. Yeah, didi ye say. Eti se ebia or come box no so ben ko jame moxa. Bibia ensi me kwan se meka se mame ko. Me boa. Sa so na me so meka so chale me to me badi wa sorry o kona ko jame. Bibia ensi mu kwan so no so timi ko jame. Eno na ma Ghana ye dance. E wo wiase nyina. Even Israel anya me sakran omo timi tena asundwe. Ba Ghana se nyame sa wo yesuntie timi tena asundwe mu. Timi de me hu bibisi na mani ache. Na when me ye proud as a Ghanaian. E ma me hu se si eni hwe kra ye wasundwe. Ye ni hwe kra ye onuado. Ye ni hwe kra the word Ghana e binding us together. That is the whole for.
Na onji ndi se sa die we ya die bia. E bia no mudi wia e Christopher no so amoma bo mafa.
Me dia mi hu wia bia e be wia o. Se me di mini echi eko mosque. Wia me. The faith that I have, my religion, my faith and my conscience is intact. What I believe in, nobody can change it. Who are you met me as someone? You mean say you are not grounded in your faith. There is no way I make us so Madam Philippa a Muslim to remember my conventional. Some subjects require erase that the subject of religion. So obi a wadanfo and as one worry and I be not on the other side of your faith. Make sure say you never discuss about religion.
Okay.
The same way no, you find this is how your NDC ni. Na so worry MPP ni. Never talk about what? Politics. Oh yes, I want me at snatch. You met me about Mobia, but a Comobia did the divinity of Christ. No. We go let it. Only the part grandma obeying himself. We are winning, and that's the beauty of our society.
But say also him say, "Oh dear, oh yeah no, ye na ya and I can be fe."
There be a year say, "Nyanko po wa mo sa."
Sir.
And nothing na oma obonsambai.
Say no obosan to me that day bi mo no.
Entina me say nothing na oma obonsambai wi ase. What you say? Free will.
Okay.
Nyame empesa o hye nipa. So what you say? Enti o say ope ha ko say mo mo nyina anyi mo. Etwa brand so a me yi me de wo. Enti wo je wo de anidi. Na me so me je me de anidi. Na mom ne ban ye together na say wo ye Ghana ni me so ye Ghana ni. E de na efesa.
Enti no say me ye kremoni na wo ye Kristoni a. Meet me emma o converting ba me.
Enye say so raise that topic nipo. Never.
Na say wo se ye twa akra.
There be enye kremoni kra na akokotwe. E na kremoni so ye Kristoni kra na akokotwe.
Okay.
They have a huge difference. Kremoni bia nim say Yesu nye nyame. Yesu ye Kristofo dey nim say Yesu ye nyame. And only the only thing is between we and them. Let's find a common ground. Common ground is say ye nyina Yesu nyame. So what I say? Enti ma nyame no emba ni together. And then the fact say be Ghana and you see Ghana ni eno aro no.
But
that can't forget it.
When him say ye kokoro and mo Omaka more things of Jesus Christ than even the Bible.
They talk about Jesus being a prophet.
They know him to be more.
They know him to be a great prophet. No, a great prophet. But they don't know him to be a God.
They even said he married.
That is another topic. It's their belief. Like I said, let them have their belief. We also have our belief. But the joy is that me met me a cockam of nifie and eat. Edu sala. I don't believe that no is self could do of your could be. No. I have friends, young the the same way Christmas. Many men not phone cable before. You did Christmas. And that's the beauty of it. I had the back one. Me person your politics time way. You had the real. You had the real. You said you are tribe and religion. You come pet Ghana bebo.
Some names so say after election no campaign. Some names some more kwa ye election na. And before election ye campaign na and you them cry ba be prawa. I saw the cry be ba you say you no besom. Oh, did you say we bet me at was even after election?
Maybe the politics will not make it. For the facts, they said, Obika said, we see a name National Chief Imam, Uncle Robert, Wako. It what is so wrong? Also, me. Once I will be right now, my above by so
once, but one,
no, Mammy Gabby Mitchell. The fact said on a national imam, the symbol of Islam. Now on the entourage, sorry them, that's an EU staff. And I was expecting, sir, your friend say Catholic Bishop for now said Ghana the be a particular will I come for. Now you with the beauty, you see, there was one time we are there function me. Them say NDC MP before that and Papa be no a president of another country, Murphy. Abaje Mike was wow. The two main political parties that Muti was say also won't be that.
Are they?
No. Ultimate Russia, you have a two about it's a cocoon and the opposition will lead that you are touching but Ghana, get in Nano, say Kufu name Muhammad Shia, woman of Kabakum. I said, look at here. Time now, or the secretary, not MP General Secretary John. Was a war no son, not say John to one or sorry, I'll find Saneko. Do you know how deep Sadia?
Yes.
What I said? Thank you. It's a mass anything because politics shouldn't divide us, religion shouldn't divide us, tribe shouldn't divide us. What bias has said, you're Ghana, you're Ghana, and one really a quick baby.
And to the fact say, you're Ghana for not 18 or most of them say, Ghana for no motion, you're meaning dear Vanessa.
Why they are money?
So I said, dear baby, what's what more you do so also.
Master, I know your constitution phone. I want it's somebody, yes, sir. Constitution, I don't know, yes, sir. Yet, it's your constitution here. Your baby, you are bounded by the law to make sure that the country work. Now, my maybe back, mini plan here follow to be bad. I'm better to be the above. Now, we're so about not to be
you can also make a plan.
What plan?
You can change something.
We need national plan. Plan now, you are bounded by it. Say, your friend is John Dramani Muhammad. Sacrament now, one you know. By now, we are bounded by it. Say, within your first year, finish our project because Ghana Fosika. Tio, ye na inside when Mura Bamuno. Ghana Fosika na say yo. And Akufo so back said John Dramani ba near more starts here on yet. At the end of the day, who is suffering? It's me and you. Because Sikaya Bruno, near my idea, we don't even take it. Go back as far as 206. You have a jail before. Nedayo see Adani Mura. Or see 38 military hospital. In Mura the womb. And you Ghana. So I say, so there should be a plan for what we call succession plan. So by your first year, no, make sure say you finish all impending projects. No. It doesn't matter so we start here. That is how you build a country. Then so back, no guess you and I'm sure when you I mean.
But say okay, sounds so dear, Obi Baka so no nyadi because maybe vision, innovation, and your
it's not about your vision. It's not. No.
Plan. They say how to build Mother Ghana. And they say I'll focus on schools. I'll focus on Obi Juma, the youth and all. Also, agenda. They say oh the Obesha Pine. Now where I said so our agendas are not.
It's not even about me. It's not about you. It's about the national policy that America over 200-year plan.
Okay.
Every 50 years they devise new plan. And look in America. All the other developed countries, France, whatever, they have national policy.
Okay.
Ghana, your party policy. I think Jimmy and Kenya party policy.
There's no Ghana, America.
No, you look at what they've done. Have you done half of it?
No.
It's because your party policy. What I'm saying, people know. Because of that, near my again, no, I don't even know. Me was Sikani, I call Proposiano. So how do you go forward as a nation? And this year has been going on since what? A global time.
Okay.
Are we not sensible enough? Say one person who says enough of this stupidity.
Yes.
Maybe they are me back. I don't care if you give credit to somebody. I'll come and complete wearing now. How difficult were you? Ni ya Bruce Casey.
And make a choice. As no piano,
and you'll be a dream where I be a father about him because you are far too way. Not a Domama, not with that project, no, no, we are back. You need us a year. Yes, I can
it's a very woman and your friend about Jimmy Burnham, Mr. Adamio.
Sister, dear Jimmy, Debbie, okay, tell me, sir, and Daniel, Yacob Purpose here. I see now by now after 8 years, what we are completed, projects in Ghana, Sicano, what the times can I be fry? It doesn't make sense. It means we are lacking sex. And it's like the young said, you're not one visionary leader. 2 years time, Ghana will change. I'm telling you.
And that's our visionary leader. No, so bad. You should kutupa.
And you kutupa. Or be one more back. Or be writing all the wrongs. Or by your say this constitution means Sano. The powers of the presidency is too much. Me or yeah projects be no say 4 years and I don't want to make a I'll do it. Okay. Because Ghana ska. What people say is sitting na. You what be here? Sa housing project a productive venture. Okay. And for consumption. So I say, I don't think that free SHS. I have a problem with it.
Are they?
Free SHS. And no Biana or here free SHS. All the man in conform here brilliant but needy students.
Now someone pass here on to me goes.
Oh, boy, I say so to me now 52. Now our president, there should be a cut-off point. And we are 20. When you're above 20, you will be given free SHS.
The cut-off point is just that bribery and corruption.
And there's no cut-off point. So we are a copy. It's a colonial. But we need to have a policy. What the policy number? Fine policy. But implementation, how do we go forward? It's so Katia, you'll be saving some money. What I say? Another saglement, you're the rating for crowd. And can the 7 year, 8 years no? And can thank you.
And on the best say, my young say, or go on more when it's so I didn't say that year about me. I became where you meet when you're driving. Over to meet ideas about it to John. Say, I mean, Ghana, you baby say, now show MPs, DCE. And I want to do it in a so very different thing. It means that Ghana was so stuck.
And I make us say, the fundamental thing that you rule your mind, there's a problem with the constitution. Okay. The constitution is not good. Because politicians being himself, constitution were a bogus constitution. They know. Okay. It's Opambour a bold enough for some back. Me buy no, and you meeting I me buy, and you even my party. Me buy some of this constitution. From henceforth, IGP, and your president elected, chief that all the sensitive positions in there, they should be elected by their own people. First of all, you are giving freedom to people who act responsibly. Number two, you are making them what? Say they'll have what? Allegiance to what? Mother Ghana. Okay. The third one is that you are going to make the country run professionally. Because say IGP, and you walk in our farm, not MPP ni ya your back channel. And I'm what? NBC ni ya your back channel. It means that some party was siasana, was on my hiding behind the party. No, what you mean it will stop. Me what? Ejaya, yeah, but one bar. There's no need for a software and I saw Ghana burning, and I was siaka sana adiache. Because the IGP has the full authority to say, who are Benjamin Bia, they will arrest you. Number 3, Bank of Ghana, the governor. Yeah. If any are buying the farmer, policies are on him, so of course, no money. Policies on him, so about Ghana and Kobe. And yes, also, I am from Keska, we not breaker. I wouldn't say a bit affecting Ghana. So I said, yeah, basic. I don't think that you call IMF. Within 3 years, not brilliant in your show, Yamama. Yeah, within 3 years, yes, I said.
Then we need independence as a nation.
I don't know because there's no independence. Mrs. March here by me who has a beer womb. 6 March, and you say in holiday because you're Jimmy. Yeah, Jimmy, yeah. We shouldn't be going under IMF after every 3 years. We are bad people. Like we are in the jungle. And I don't get it. Every 3 years, yeah, you go to what? World program, and then you come and sit there and tell me, say, I am what? An independent nation. We are bad. We are bad. Me what? Jimmy Crown. We see it. Yeah. We can jot it down. Follow the plan. Ghana will grow. But we feel like party boys. No, this guy. No way, this guy. Are we that mad? No. Sir, we can't use straighten your life. I know that me blaming Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Time now, Obeji independence. Now Ghana was not ready. The black man can't rule him or himself. He ain't ready. I'm telling you.
But say we were on our own before the whites came.
You were on your own in what? Tatters. They came to streamline you. Don't blame the white too. Never blame the white. Yeah, you know we are corrupt from birth. Yeah, corrupt. Oh, if you guys I feel this, now, corruption. So right from birth we are corrupt. And I'm saying we need a leader who change our minds.
And yet not all of us, our minds are corrupt. So who is that leader? That's a leader. No, no,
Kennedy, Amapaw.
Also, the mind are corrupt.
The mind is corrupt. The mind is corrupt. And no party there and conquer. What is your beer? It's not about my party. It's not even about my family, but it's about Ghana. How do I push Ghana out of this mess? And the interest rate is the highest in Africa.
Okay.
What I say, interest rate, you see, and the petrol 13 cities. Drivers are saying they will increase first.
They've increased it.
They've increased it first today.
Yeah.
Look at the country that we are in a mess. So how do we get out of that? And this mess was created by the government because of printing Sika. Almost 76 billion Ghana cedis within 2 years. SARS cannot say economy. But sorry, Russia, Ukraine, COVID. Waste of time.
Sisi akrano sa 2 cedis no to me who be charge pa.
That's why you
have points.
I would charge 200 Ghana. There's something wrong with that. So. Yeah. Aha,
too much. Afric Media, I be near the Obibia AC. Yeah, better Mr. Bruce, now listen me chat to an affair. You're sorry to media, Mr. Bruce.
Yeah.
Well, last message, and from a year of prophet Opambour and our faces lawyer Amapaw. Any year about me, and any year Samira.
Oh, media Opambour, media the American Jai. Where we here, you are born. You be saying power sem but you are body or the bar, yeah, power sem. We are Christian, yeah, Modia, Bible the cry, and upon my car, Bible said, do not curse. Yami to me not, Yamma, see a fan called prayer cry. My family genetic so yeah, Mudia. And I'm also a Mocasatiano, and your fair. Idea won't me and car. Sabe, I'm not wearing a new fortune, sir, or guys on run Brosno. Oh, Jimmy, I'm going to catch us. You wouldn't do it. What are we looking for? And then I want you to make us a road on now we can't run out, can't also have to Yami Nipaswa. So I'm more God will curse you, and not dear, Yamin the Beckerson. Now, ya papa, bow me, Meme dear, why are dear? Cobebia, we are Brahmasori. Go victory, now call. Back also said Methodist who alcohol. Patoti na yen pabako. Ma election and papa ye obi ba no say ko e bibia kan say onko fa ne man of me tribal politics. We ni na yen Ghana for. Yetimi hu sa ye bedi ye manuasi.
Ye bedi ye pa ma Ghana program ha ayede. Aha etima GH ha Afric Media measure and any dey kan ba be kan yen sa. Ba do man society video to ma no ni po di kan mo sa be ke subscribe it. Like it. Yeah, no, I share the Amaya, you know, Ubia who say about live. Because the city event masters and I say as Afric Media as well. I didn't be a friendship, what dear who say event, say anniversary, wedding, party, engagement. And I dear in BBI said me, no me say Shima, yeah, born your monk one day, ye Shima dear. To chill, Mamma, whom I true for is 0594603869, and BBI and Kono said your pen of prepare pet. Man, Messi, Yakra.
Dacia some aniti and a Jumedia would piano. Ube here, sell Ube chat a home infony at the Atoho. Ope Jumekwa or ye a pabene, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now sell pictures on one. And you'll be city event masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan who ye Jumedia fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603 869. Show me try quiet. I will abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum poniswa. A ye papa dear, and no one city event masters. Dacia some aniti and a Jumedia would piano. Ube Ubehia se ubetwa eho emfoni ade ato ho. Opage meku a oye apabene yebano live streaming video coverage and now say pictures on ho. Enyo bibia city event masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kika who a media fashibia. To chum, oh my homa true for so 0594 603 869. Show me try kwaye. Ewa abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum pon the soa. A papa dear, and no one city event masters.